budget sa flood control, and don't get started with me with how much money did you took from us. Flood control projects is 500 billion. PhilHealth funds is 60 plus billion. GSAS, SSS, PDIC, you are not supposed to take those money, especially PhilHealth. It is unconstitutional to take excess money from PhilHealth and put it in the fucking infrastructure in a ghost project naman. Do you think we're bobos? No, we're not. We're not idiots. Maalam kami dahil may YouTube University. Accessible sa marami. Huwag nyo kaming lukuhin. Nakakagalit. At kapag galit na kami kayo. Galit na kami sa inyo. Ito ang tanda nyo. Siguruhin nyo lang na kayang pasakayin sa mga private jets nyo lahat ng relatives nyo. Because taong bayan will show no mercy when the time comes. Tandaan nyo yan. Enjoy nyo muna yung mga sasakyan ninyo na binili namin. Enjoy nyo muna yung mga bahay nyo na binili namin. Kaya pala ang hirap-hirap. Ni as a virtual assistant, ang hirap-hirap magbakasyon. Kasi walang ekstrang pera. Kasi kailangan pala naming sponsoran yung mga lifestyle nyo. We sponsored your fucking lavish lifestyle without our consent, and that's evil.